Hey everyone. Welcome to this full guide on how to backup files automatically using Dropbox in 2026. I'll show you step by step how to set it up so your files stay safe without manual effort. First, open Dropbox and sign in with your account on your computer or mobile. This is required before setting up backup. Next, go to Settings and open the Backup section. This is where automatic file protection is controlled. Now choose the folders you want to back up, like desktop, documents, or pictures. Select only what you need. After that, enable automatic backup. Once this is on, Dropbox will sync your files automatically. Next, check your Dropbox storage space. If storage is full, backups will stop working. Now on mobile, enable Wi-Fi only backup if needed. This helps save mobile data. After that, upload a test file and check if it appears on all your devices. This confirms everything is working correctly. Finally, make sure Dropbox is always running in the background. This is necessary for continuous backup. So yeah, that's how you backup files automatically using Dropbox in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your files will always stay safe. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials. Hey everyone!